Asking my haunted doll if leprechauns are real. Leprechauns originate from Irish folklore, often depicted as small, fairy-like creatures, or portrayed as old men wearing green coats and buckled shoes. They're known for their love of mischief, their cunning nature, and their tendency to hoard gold. According to legend, if you catch a leprechaun, they have to give you 3 wishes in order for you to let them go. They're often associated with good luck and seen around St. Patrick's Day. So let's ask Piper if they're real. Have you ever encountered a leprechaun? Yes. Do they really grant you 3 wishes if you catch them? No. Are leprechauns actually lucky? Yes. Are you afraid of the leprechaun? Yes. Should we be afraid of leprechauns? Yes.